atoms join to form a compound. Molar mass, grams per molar, profound. Find atomic mass, set them clear. Periodic table data's here. Carbon's 12, oxygen 16. Hydrogen is 1, it's routine. Add them up, the molar mass shown. Clearly calculated, value known. Moles link grams to particles. Chemical equations logical. Balancing first, it's critical. Ratios clear, numerical. Calculated right, stoichiometry. Molar mass and ratios accurately. Reactants, products, step by step. Chemical amounts you won't forget. Calculated right, grams to moles. Stoichiometry guide your goals. Precision clear, let's get it done. Chemistry, math, equation fun. Mole ratio set up a perfect proportion. Balanced equations guide your conversion. Given grams first, convert to mole form. Divide by molar mass, that's the norm. Once in mole, match the ratio displayed. Coefficient based, equations obeyed. Multiply by ratio, products arise. From mole to grams, mass finalized. Check each step, accuracy's key. Chemistry, math, clarity's decree. Practice repeatedly, proficiency grows. Stoichiometry skills clearly show. Calculated right, stoichiometry. Molar mass and ratios accurately. Reactants, products, step by step. Chemical amounts you won't forget. Calculated right, grams to moles. Stoichiometry guides your goals. Precision clear, let's get it done. Chemistry, math, equation fun. Atoms, moles, and grams in a chain. Stoichiometry clear and plain. Molar mass calculations precise. Chemistry mastered, stepwise, concise.